Welcome back, guys. Today's session is Mastering Vector Layers in PyQGIS. Introduction. Vector layers are essential in GIS and represents data as points, lines, or polygons. In this session, we will go through the process of working with the vector layers in PyQGIS. You will learn how to load, style, query, edit, manipulate attributes, and export vector data. Let's break down each step to understand how to work with the vector layers efficiently. First, loading vector layers. Instead of loading vector layers manually, will take a time. We can load vector layers from shapefile. For example, countries underscore layer equal QGIS vector layer and the path of my shapefile countries.shpe countries and OGR, which is dealing with the shapefiles. In the same way, cities underscore layer and path, roads layer, path of roads shapefile, then places layer and the path of places layer. Loop through the layers and check if they load successfully. For layer in, countries layer, cities layer, roads layer, and places layer. If layer failed to load, print an error message. If not, layer.is valid. Print if layer.name failed to load. And add the valid layers to the current QGIS project. QGIS project.instance.editMap layer. We open QGIS, Python, then show editor. You can open a new one. We try to load countries, shapefiles, cities, roads, and places. Run the script. We have places, roads, KRG cities, and countries. Remove layers. Get the instance of the current QGIS project. Project equal QGIS project.instance. Then get all the layers in the current project. Layers equal list. Project.map layers. Parentheses.values, which convert to a list to avoid mutation issues. Then iterate over each layer and remove it. For layer in layers, layer underscore name equal layer.name, store name before deleting, then try. Remove the layer from the project. Project.remove map layer, parentheses layer.id. Then print layer, the name of the layer, remove it successfully. Exception. Print failed to remove layer. Layer name STRE. Use stored name. The script get the project instance, returns the current QGIS project instance, get all layers, retrieves all layers in the project, iterate through layers. The script iterates through each layer in the project, then remove a layer, removes the layer from the project, print confirmation for each layer removed. The script prints a confirmation message with the layer's name. But the script removes all layers from the project. It doesn't delete the actual layer files from the disk. It only removes them from the project. Let's open a list of shapefiles together. In manual ways, we can select it, right click, remove layer. Okay, roid, remove layer. Okay, so it takes time. In PyQGIS, we can open a new script, write our code for removing layers. Then run it, which is successfully remove it all the layers together. Countries, remove it successfully. KRG cities removed successfully. Places removed successfully. Androids removed successfully. Number 3, styling vector layers. First, starting with the applying simple style, create a simple fill symbol for styling the country's layer. Symbol equal QGIS fill symbol dot create simple, color yellow, outline color equal black. Apply the symbol to the renderer of the country's layer. Then trigger a repaint to apply the new style by using country's layer dot trigger repaint. We open a new editor. For example, the color of country is brown. We run this code to change the color to yellow. The code is run and in the output, the colors of each country converted to yellow, and outline colors of each country's border changed to black. For example, in the KRG cities, we have the tag of the city. The first one, Erbil, is capital. Others are just city. Categorized styling. Create an empty list to store categories for styling. Categories equal parentheses. Loop through categories and assign colors. For value, color in capital red and city blue. Create a default symbol for the city's layer. Symbol equal QGIS symbol dot default symbol. Cities layer dot geometry type. Then set the symbol's color and create a category for each value, capital or city. Then append the category to the list, categories.append category. After that, create a categorized renderer based on the type attribute. Renderer equal QGIS categorized symbol renderer type, comma, categories. Then apply the renderer to the cities layer dot set renderer. After that, trigger a repaint to apply the new style. Cities underscore layer dot trigger repaint and refresh the map canvas. iface.map canvas dot refresh. For example, now the color of all cities are green. We run the script of categorized style. The color of cities changed to blue, while the color of capital changed to the red for Erbil city.